Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about status code and their categories. Status code is an important component in HTTP response. Status codes are issued by the server and they give the information about the response. Whenever we get any response from the server to the client, in that HTTP response, we must have one HTTP status code. All HTTP response status codes are divided into 5 categories. First one is 1XX, informational response. Here the XX will replace with actual number. For example, 100, 101 or 102. This is just a format. If your application returning 100 as status code, it is an informational response. Then 2XX, it means your request is successful. For example, 200, 201, 204. Then 3XX, whenever you get 3XX as the response code, it means it is a redirectional. Some redirectional is happening on the server. For example, 300, 301, etc. If your status code starts with 4, it means client error or there is some problem with your request. For example, you are inserting new data in the table. There is some problem in the data. In this scenario, server will send the response with 4XX status code. For example, 400, 404, etc. Then we have 5XX. For 5XX examples are 500, 503, 504, etc. If you get 5XX as the response code, it means there is some problem in the server. In this scenario, there is some unhandled exception in the server, then we will get 5XX or 500 as a status code. In our next video, we will see some frequently used status codes in Web API project. Thank you.